Hi, my beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Hope you are good. Happy new month. I welcome every one of you to the month of May. May the good Lord be with every one of us. So, guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And if you're new turning to this channel for the first time, you are all welcome. And for my old subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate every one of you here. So guys, hope you are good, hope you're doing well. So guys, in this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do a lovely hairstyle, and the hairstyle is called all back and base. The hairstyle is lovely on toddlers and is lovely for the teenagers. Even the adults can do it as well. You can use it to wear your wig if you wish. So guys, please stay tuned and watch it from the beginning to the end so that you will not miss any step of doing this lovely hairstyle. The hairstyle is actually very simple and it's very lovely. So guys, you make sure you achieve this hair on a clean hair, and you divide the hair into two. As you can see, you section small part at the front, the remaining one you begin to cornrow just to the back. Can you see what we're doing here? Please, when you're doing the cornrow, please guys, I keep saying it, don't make it too tight. And if you're doing it on a natural hair, you need to be very careful. You know, natural hair can be so painful. So guys, just stay tuned and you'll love the outcome of the hairstyle. As you can see, make sure your parting are well parts. Can you see? Then you begin to do the cornrow. Just make sure it's not too tight. Can you see how my beautiful model just sits quiet? Because the hair is not painful. That is why you have to do it gently. If you want to make it too big, you can do that, and if you want to make it tiny, you can do that. And if you also want to use wool just to achieve this lovely hairstyle, in case you wanted to put bead, so you can go ahead and you do that. So guys, please don't make it too tight. I'm still begging you guys. And that is how you keep going with this lovely hairstyle. So I love doing it from the both side. Can you see? I'm done with the other side. Then I'm doing the cornrow and the right hand side again, just for me to achieve a lovely pattern. So I love doing it like that, guys. It's not necessary for you to do that, but if you wish. But to me, I love doing it from the both side. So that's how you keep going. Don't make it too tight, as you can see, and make sure you hold it firm. When you're doing it, you need to spray water because the hair is natural hair. Can you see? Don't make it too tight. And if you want to do it, do this lovely hairstyle just for you to achieve it in Didi, you can go ahead and do the same thing. But this my beautiful client, as in my model, she said she wants it cornrow, as in weaving. So she's the one that picked the hairstyle. She said she wants all back and base. So I decided to share with you guys so that you see something to do for your children, for your lovely daughters as school is resuming back. So it's actually a lovely hairstyle. Can you see we are done with the all back, and now guys we are doing the base aspect. As you can see what I'm doing here, don't make it too tight. You know, some people will make hair too tight. Even the the child will not feel comfortable. As you can see, this one is not too tight. Please just take note of that. Don't make the hair too tight. So that is how you keep going. Can you see how beautiful the hair is? So my model, she said she wants this clip. As you can see, oh my god, she's very funny. She said she wants clip on her hair. So I decided to, just for her to concentrate on what I'm doing. That is why I put just two for her. So guys, can you see? Can you see what I'm doing here? And it's not too tight, and it's very neat. Please let me know in the comment section what you guys think on this hairstyle, and if you guys love the outcome of the hairstyle, please let me know in the comment section. You can also share this lovely hairstyle to your love and family, as in your loved ones. So guys, let me know in the comment section, please. I love to see your comments, and give this video a very big thumbs up if you love the video and if the video is helpful. So guys, that is all about this hairstyle. We are done. This is the last one I'm doing here. Can you see? This particular one, we're not adding bead, we're not adding anything. She just wants me to design it by putting this hair accessory. So guys, can you see? We are done. We are done with this hairstyle. And when you're doing hair for toddlers, you have to be very, very patient, because if you're to do the hair for like 1 hour, just take your time, and it might take you up to 3 hours. You just have to be patient. Can you see? She's in love with the hairstyle. Can you see her beautiful smile? Because she actually giving what she wanted. So guys, can you see she's dancing because she loves the hair? And that is all about the hairstyle. This is the final look of the hairstyle. So guys, let me know in the comment section, and I will see you on my next tutorial. Bye bye. I love you.